Coders, welcome back to CodingPorium. Today we're building something super useful for websites, a clean, modern breadcrumb menu using just HTML and CSS. Breadcrumbs are those little navigation trails you see at the top of websites, like Home, Projects, CSS, Current Page. They make websites look professional and improve user experience. So let's build one. First things first, the HTML. Super simple. We've got an unordered list with the class .breadcrumb. Inside it, list items for Home, Projects, CSS, and finally the active page. That's literally it, just clean, semantic HTML. Next up, the styling magic. We set a nice dark background for the breadcrumb container. Each link is styled like a small button card with padding, rounded corners, and a smooth hover effect. And check this out. Between each item, I added a greater than separator using li plus li before. No extra HTML needed, pure CSS. Now let's make the current page stand out. I used a .active class that changes the background to royal blue, makes the text bold, and removes pointer clicks. That way users instantly know where they are on your site. And boom! That's our modern breadcrumb menu built with just HTML plus CSS. Clean, professional, and ready to drop into any project, whether it's a portfolio site, blog, or even a big web app. If you like this tutorial, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what I should build next. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.